a well-organized desk isn't just about aesthetics. It's a productivity powerhouse. Imagine a workspace where everything is within reach, and there's no clutter to distract you. The magic of a well-ordered desk lies in its ability to significantly boost productivity, reduce stress levels, and create an environment that's conducive to work. It's not just about having a clean space, it's about creating an environment that inspires you to do your best. Now, what are the 8 must-have items for a well-organized desk? Let's dive in. First on the list is a desk organizer. This handy tool is a game changer for maintaining a tidy workspace. Imagine a world where your pens, sticky notes, and paper clips each have their own designated spot. With a desk organizer, this becomes reality. It keeps all your small items in check, preventing them from becoming a chaotic mess. Not only does this reduce clutter, but it also makes it easier to find what you need when you need it. A desk organizer is the first step towards a neat and tidy workspace. Next up is the monitor stand. This nifty piece of office gear is a game changer. By elevating your monitor, it helps to align your gaze with the screen, improving your posture and reducing neck strain. No more hunching over your desk. Plus, it's not just about comfort. The monitor stand also doubles as storage space, making your desk even more organized. So why not elevate your work experience? With a monitor stand, you can work comfortably for longer periods. Third on our list is a keyboard and mouse pad. These aren't just accessories, they are pivotal elements of a functional desk setup. A keyboard and mouse pad serve a dual purpose, providing a soft surface for your wrists, helping to prevent strain during those long hours at the desk. But that's not all. They also protect your desk surface from scratches and wear. Remember, comfort and preservation are key to a productive workspace. A keyboard and mouse pad are essential for comfortable and efficient working. A fourth and fifth on our list are cable management tools and a desk lamp. When it comes to creating a clean and efficient workspace, cable management tools are a game changer. They help reduce clutter by neatly tucking away all those pesky wires from your gadgets. Plus, they save you from the frustrating task of untangling cables. A well-organized cable system not only makes your desk look tidy, but also increases your efficiency by reducing distractions. Now let's shed some light on desk lamps. They're not just about illumination, they're about creating an environment conducive to focus and productivity. A good desk lamp provides adequate lighting that reduces eye strain, especially during those late-night work sessions. Beyond functionality, a stylish desk lamp can also contribute significantly to the overall aesthetics of your workspace, adding a touch of personality and flair. With cable management tools and a desk lamp, your desk will be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Finally, we have plants, personal items, and a water bottle. A touch of greenery on your desk can do wonders. Plants don't just spruce up your space, they also improve the air quality. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which helps you stay focused and alert. Plus, their calming presence can reduce stress and increase productivity. Now let's talk about personal items. A photo frame, a small figurine, or even a doodle pad. These tiny touches make your workspace uniquely yours. They also serve as a reminder that you're not just a worker, but a human with a life outside the office. Don't forget the water bottle. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining energy levels and preventing headaches. A stylish water bottle on your desk encourages regular sips, keeping you hydrated and alert. These items help create a personalized, healthy, and comfortable workspace. To sum up, a well-organized desk is key to productivity and comfort. An essential part of achieving this is having the right set of items at your disposal. First off, a desk organizer. This handy tool keeps your workspace tidy and your supplies within easy reach. Next up, a monitor stand. It's not just about elevating your screen, but also about creating extra storage space. Then we have the keyboard and mouse pad duo. They ensure comfort during long hours of work, preventing strain on your wrists. Moving on, we have cable management tools and a desk lamp. These play a crucial role in maintaining a clutter-free space and providing adequate lighting. Lastly, don't forget to add a touch of personality to your workspace with plants and personal items. And of course, staying hydrated is key, so a water bottle should always be on your desk. Each of these items contributes to creating a workspace that's not just visually appealing, but also conducive to productivity and well-being.